is that I would want to change my branding, like the text and the logo in here. So to customize the logo here is that I could just click here on the quick edit icon right here or button, and from here I can customize the vector art or the logo in this template. But in this one, it is using the vector art, so I can't really use my PNG file for my logo. For example, this one, as you can see, I can click on add to page because only vector art can be chosen. So as an alternative, I'll just add an image instead. So I'm just going to remove this vector art, right click and delete. Also for the line, so there's still a line in here, so let me just select that here. And there it is, right click and then delete. Now I can just go into a search and then I can go for a logo, click on add custom logo, and then you'd have some apps in here that you could create a logo with, but in my case I'll just go for a site image right here that I've uploaded, which is this one, which is my logo, and now it will be added here. And as for this one, I'm just going to delete this excessive one right there, and also this one, delete. And now I'm going to go and resize this to fit the this part right here. So I'm going to resize it right there, and there it is. And now I'm going to go for the text, and I'm going to name this K Jewelry. And as for the font, you don't have to worry about it just yet. We can just change that later on, right there. I think that's good. And now, as you can see, our header is expanded, so we can just bring it back to normal right here. So I think that would be enough. And I think we can make it smaller still. And yeah, I think that's good. And you could also reposition this if you want to. So we can make it a bit on the left side, the right side right there. And that's it. So now, if you don't want to change the font in here, you can go here into the site design. In here, you can go for the text theme. And now from here, you can now change the font on the heading font, which is this one. You can go for this, as you can see. So I think that would be appropriate. And then you can also customize the heading styles. So you can go for the heading one, which is the logo name. So I can change the color for that right here. So I can click on customize font size and then the color in here. So I can just choose this color right there. And then I can go back and click on apply. And as you can see, it has now changed in color. So that's it. And then you can also go for heading 2 right here. And you can change the font if you want to right here. So I could go for this one. As you can see, it changed in font. So I'm just going to undo that because I don't like it. I like this one better. And then I'm just going to finalize the color in here, right there, and click on apply again. There it is. And next is that if you also would want to change your color theme, you can do it here in the site design again. Click here. And then from here, you can choose the accent color. So you can edit the color in here. You could go for the advanced settings, the base color, and so on. But in this one, I'm satisfied with the color theme of the template. So I'm just going to leave it be. And now from here is that we're just going to customize our homepage first. So this is our current homepage as of now. So now I'm going to edit this and put my tagline in here for my brand. So my tagline would be jewelry made by hand or worn by heart right here. So I think that would be awesome right there. And then I'm just going to customize the text in here like this style. I'm going to go for this one right here. I want it to be real big and just like that. And more right there. I would want it to be like this or maybe like that. So I would want to put the hand word above. So I'm going to simply do it right here. And maybe something like that. Yeah, that is good. So now from here, I'm just going to make it on the center right here. So you can just follow the magenta lines that would appear. So that would indicate that you are in the center, just like that. And then from here, we have this button here. So you could just delete this button and I'm going to go and get a new button here. So in here, I'm going to go and place a button. So here in the button, you can go for theme, you can go for text icon, icon buttons, and many more. So I'm just going to go for theme buttons. And instead, I would want to go for this one right here. And I'm going to expand this, make it something like this. So as for this button, I'll be setting this up later on once we have finalized all the content here in our homepage. And now I'm just going to go and modify this background here. So we have multiple slides for this right here. So I think I am currently satisfied with the background here. I don't want to change this. Maybe I should just go for this one. And I can just click here on manage slides and then rearrange the slides in here. I would want this to appear first. I'm just going to put it on the top. And then we can see this slide 3, see what it looks like. And I think I would want it to be slide 2 right there. So that's it. And if you don't want to change the slide background, you can click here and then you can upload your own by clicking here image, video, or color, depending on what you'd like it to be. In my case, this is enough for me.